How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. We're working on my family's 2006 Dodge Ram, and what we're going to be doing today is upgrading, modifying, whatever you want to call it, to the tail lights. I picked up some, yes, made in China, eBay tail lights that actually looked really good, and when they came in, it was packaged really good. It came as a set, and honestly was less expensive than any other sellers that I could find, and I got it in like 3 or 4 days, and I'm going to show you guys the packaging here. Did not have to wait for it to come from China like a lot of times, and you can see it's nice and foamed in there. Everything's wrapped in plastic, and then everything's sealed in like a plastic seal, so no scratches on it. And from what I see, it looks like a pretty good quality piece because it comes with the plug and everything that I need. And you guys can see I have this one taped on, so the tabs are broken on here as well as the plug. Somehow the tail lights and the brake lights work. I don't know how, but the plug is completely destroyed, so I need to get this thing swapped out immediately. And I figured, why not upgrade, modify, whatever you want to call it, to these smoked out ones with LED lights for $97, guys, on eBay. So pretty expensive. Like I said, great seller. I'll leave his info. Sometimes links don't work, especially if you're looking at this video a year down the road. So I'll try to leave the actual seller's name, so maybe he has some listed a year, 2 years, 3 years down the road when you find this video. Very simple to take these lights out, so I'm going to zoom through that. Really just a couple Torx screws on the outside here. That releases your tabs. You can pull it out, and then there's just a simple plug for your light on the inside. This has the same type of plug, so we'll be able to just swap it right over, as you can see here. So the plug is sitting right there, and that should function all of our lights. We shouldn't have to do anything else to make these lights work. And you can see here what I mean by those tabs. So the little screws go into right here and hold that light in place. And then it's got two little prongs that kind of pull right out. So let's go ahead, pop these ones out, pop the new ones in. We'll take a look at it at night. Well, first we'll take a look at it during the day, and then I'll do some night shots for you guys so you can take a look at how it looks when you're stopping. And we got the two little Torx screws here, like I said. Those come right out. And if the tabs are broken on your lights, the great thing is the new lights have new tabs. That's all you got to do, and then this will just pull right out. Like I said, it's got those two little posts that pop into these rubber grommets. Now on this switch here, let me get you in closer. Okay, so on the plug, what you want to do is pull this red tab out that way. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to get it loose if it's on there real tight. And then you just pull the plug off like that. And we set our light aside. Grab our new light. I'm going to pull the plastic protective covering off. And all we're going to do now is slide our new plug in. And slide that tab over to lock it in. And we can slide that forward. And now we can align this up and screw it in. And that is it, guys. So new lights installed. All right, let's go ahead and back out the truck and take a look at how everything looks. Well, guys, it's perfect timing to show you how awesome these lights look because the sun went down almost fully, but we got a little bit of dust showing, so I can still record. And this is how it looks with just the lights on. So you've got this kind of upside down L that glows. It's an LED. Really, really nice looking. Now let me jump in the truck and show you guys each one of the other features that this does. Well, guys, I gotta say, for the money, these lights blew me away. I mean, under $100, and you got yourself a set of LED smoked out lights that actually function properly, came pre-assembled. That means all the bulbs were in there, everything was pre-wired, and it just plugs up. And that to me is very, very important, because you don't want to be cutting into wires. If you ever want to go back to stock and you bought these, you could easily go back. And as you guys saw, it took me 2 minutes to install these. So easy installation. They work great. They shipped from the US. So I'm definitely gonna say they are a 10 out of 10 in my opinion, mainly because of the price point on these and the fact that I needed tail lights, and they were way cheaper than the OEMs. And I just love the way they look. I think they look really, really nice. They don't look cheesy, and I hope they last long. So that's really it. If you guys want to leave me comments down the road, years from now, I'll let you know how they worked out, how long they lasted, and any issues I may have ran into. But for now, 10 out of 10. You guys have an awesome day, a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next one.